We're in South Florida. Palm trees, the warm breeze, and water everywhere. I'm in the mood for seafood, so let's find a captain and get on the water. Let's give it a try.
We got about a 10-minute ride till we get to the inlet. The weather's perfect here, South Florida, like 75 degrees, I'd say.
I don't know what it is, but without a doubt, bigger than anything I've ever caught. Yeah! Oh my! Yeah, baby! Oh man! Woo! Praise the Lord and pass the dolphin, baby. Hands down, the biggest fish I've ever caught right there, man. I mean, this is a dream for me, absolute dream. Man, brother, thank you so much.
Right on, man.
So that's Mahi Mahi right there. And Captain Sean said biggest one of the year for sure.
Biggest one of the year for sure by far.
I mean,
woo, you did a great job,
look at
brother.
this. This a dream, man. I'll tell you, my forearms were aching. I've never caught anything bigger than an 18-inch rainbow trout. This is an absolute dream. Oh my, I am in absolute shock today. Look at that, baby.
We like to catch these out here. They're not around too much lately, so we got very lucky today. I think it's more skill. The guy's a very good fisherman.
Good captain.
He
Incredible
worked this fish.
captain.
This fish didn't stand a chance once he was on the reel there. So really great job. These fish are great to eat. You can fry them, you can bake them, you can pan sear them, you can eat them sashimi, you can do whatever you want.
But can you griddle them?
Oh, you can griddle them too. And I know just the guy to do it. Oh yeah. Woo, that's a good fish, buddy.
Standing here with Rory and of course Captain Sean. Well, they're both captains. It was Rory's boat today. But check this out. We have a monster bag right there. Check that out.
That's enough for you, huh?
That's a lot of mahi right there, baby.
We had a great day fishing. Thanks to Captain Sean. Does it again.
Appreciate you guys coming out.
That's all there is to it. I just need to get cleaned up and we need to fire up the griddle. Back on the intercoastal waterway with my friend John, a Blackstoner, longtime subscriber, and his buddies. Go ahead.
Keith Shepard.
Keith
And Pat.
and we're gonna make a delicious mahi mojo. Now we're gonna do our delicious mojo sauce. Of course, you're in Florida, you gotta have some oranges. We're gonna squeeze some orange juice in there. Hopefully you get some pulp in there as well. Then we're gonna go in with some lime juice, some fresh chopped cilantro, a little bit of extra virgin olive oil, a little bit of coarse kosher salt, some black pepper, and ground cumin. We'll mix that up and just look at that beautiful mojo sauce. All right, our delicious mahi fillets. Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous meat here. Just gonna go ahead and we'll trim this one up a little bit. Got a little bit of skin left on there. We'll just pick that off. Nothing like having fresh fish, and that is as fresh as you are going to get. A little bit of extra virgin olive oil. I'm gonna rub that into that beautiful mahi. I have my Blackstone 22-inch griddle on high heat here. Anytime you're searing up meat or fish, you wanna go high heat. And there it is, baby, straight over here. We're gonna go right down there on top of the griddle. You can see the fish is starting to cook up the fillet there, so we're gonna go in for a flip. Perfect right there. And I'm gonna put some of that mojo sauce on there as we finish cooking. We'll garnish this with a little more later, but just a little bit in there so we can start to put that gorgeous citrus flavor into the mahi. I think our mahi is looking absolutely perfect here. Let's pick that off the griddle top. Look at that. Come straight over here. I have this beautiful little bed of greens here. A mixture of all types of salad. I just picked that up at the grocery store. Gonna put that down on top. Oh, it looks gorgeous. Gonna go ahead. I'm gonna put some lime slices over here just for presentation purposes. And then we're gonna go in with our grapefruit. Gonna pull off some sections of the grapefruit, like so. Gonna put those here in the back. Let's see, we'll put those right here. Maybe just a couple of grapefruit wedges. Now we'll drizzle a little bit more of that mojo on there, which looks absolutely beautiful, on the mahi, around the salad. And then I've got some more of those grapefruit wedges here. Just gonna put a little bit of grapefruit juice down there as well. I'm telling you what, folks, I definitely get one-dimensional. It's burgers, it's quesadillas, and this is something that looks absolutely delicious. I am loving my time here in Florida. Take a look at that. I've got a fork. Look where I'm at, by the way. You cannot beat South Florida. I'm a Colorado guy. I lived in Colorado for 25 years. This is totally new to me, and you know, this is stuff we only see on TV. I'm so excited to jump into this mahi with a delicious citrus mojo. Let's give it a, oh, look at there. Look at that perfect flaking, by the way. See? Perfect flaking. Oh, yes. Look at that. You ready for this? I am. Friends, I'm telling you, I always say it. I certainly hope that it looks as good as it does here in person. It has been a blast here in southern Florida. Look for this recipe. Oh my goodness. Fresh mahi with mojo sauce and greens at blackstoneproducts.com. Blackstoneproducts.com is your portal for everything Blackstone. There you can go to our Instagram, our Facebook, our YouTube. But thanks for watching, everybody. And until next time, this is Todd. I'm saying praise the Lord and pass the Mahi Mahi.